Now I will give you a NDA short trick to find sum of the coefficients of all terms in the binomial expansion. What are the steps involved? Just take the coefficients in the expression with sign and then add the coefficients. Raise it to the power which was given in the problem. For example, what is the sum of the coefficients of all the terms in the expansion of 45x minus 49 power 4? Take the coefficients with sign, that is 45 and minus 49. Then add them. 45 plus minus 49 which is equal to minus 4. Raising it to the power, we will get minus 4 power 4. We will get 256. Moving on to the next problem. 1 plus x power 2n plus 1. Take the coefficients with sign, that is 1 and 1, and then add them. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Raising it to the power, we will get 2 to the power 2n plus 1. Moving on to the next problem. 2 plus 3x power 99. Take the coefficients with sign, that is 2 and 3, and then add them. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Raising it to the power, we will get 5 power 99. Moving on to the next problem. 1 minus 3x plus x square to the power 10. Take the coefficients with sign, that is 1, minus 3 and 1. Then add them. 1 plus minus 3 plus 1 which is equal to minus 1. Raising it to the power, we will get minus 1 power 10. We will get 1. Moving on to the next problem. 2x plus 3y plus 4z to the power 20. Take the coefficients with sign, that is 2, 3 and 4. Then add them. 2 plus 3 plus 4 which is 9. Raising it to the power, we will get 9 to the power 20. Moving on to the next problem. 1 by x plus 2x power 6. Take the coefficients with sign, we will get 1 and 2. Add them. 1 plus 2 which is 3. Raising it to the power, we will get 3 power 6 which is 729. Thank you.